What's up, my loved ones? How are you? It's your girl CC. I'm just me coming at you with another mug banger. Y'all, today I had corned beef sandwich with some cheese, and some Cheetos, and some Lay's chips. Got two corned beef sandwiches. Mm. So yeah, y'all, look at that. Look at that. Yes. I have sauerkraut, onion, lettuce, pepper. It's like an island dressing on here. And yeah, it looks so good. And I have Swiss cheese. Mm, 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 mm. Now I made it myself. I made it myself. Mm-hmm. Y'all better calm down up there. It's like every time I record, I used to have them down here, but I send them up there. Y'all know, kids. Mm, 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 mm. Kids gonna be kids. Are y'all ready for November? Y'all ready for it? First week of November, no starch. No, first week of November, no starch week. Y'all ready for these next video? These next videos, and what I'm gonna make, and what I'm gonna eat. I can't wait. Cause I think I got like 2 creative ideas that I haven't seen in a long time. So I got some of this health aid kabuchi. I cannot pronounce that. Kabuchi. Kombuchi. Kombucha. Mm. And I had some Goya champagne. Coke champagne. This is really good. Mm. Oh, this is so good. So how y'all feeling? How y'all doing? So I just came back from the store, so after I eat this, I'm going to the straight to the straight to the bed. But this weather change is no joke, y'all. It is no joke. It was just pouring down, raining, wind, smacking you yesterday. Now it's a beautiful day. It's really a beautiful day outside today. My mom used to call this pneumonia weather. She said, "You better wear a coat. This is pneumonia weather." That's what they used to say. This is pneumonia weather. So I tell the kids that when they want to go outside without no coat, this is pneumonia weather. mm. 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 That's the iron. Mm. That's the iron. Y'all, I know it might feel good, but put a jacket on. Put a jacket on. Yeah. Cause it's pneumonia out there. I know this going out on Halloween. So happy Halloween. Mm. Troy had a little thing at their school that they got a lot of candy. Um, tomorrow. Mm. Tomorrow we are going to we're going to go. We're gonna find some movie tonight. I'm gonna find some movie on Netflix. Some little scary movie. So we can watch. We got popcorn and all of that type of stuff. Mm. 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 Wow. Mm. 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 It's so good. And y'all, I just decided to try this when I was in the store. I bought 2 kinds. Ooh, what kind is this? This is the passion fruit and tangerine. But I got a lemon and honey one. So I wanted to see what was it? How is the taste? Well, it's pretty good. Mm. 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 I haven't had corned beef in a minute. But I had to get my bread in. This is raw bread. If you want to have corned beef sandwich, you gotta have it on raw bread. Okay, we got a corned beef place. I call it Atman's. It is so good. Oh yeah. So I had to get my starch and the bread in before I do a whole week of no starch. mm. So y'all, if y'all got it this far, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Hit that notification bell, ding, so you can be aware of what your girl doing next. And don't forget to share me out, share your girl out. And don't forget to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a mama, to tell a papa, to tell a sister and brother to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. And don't forget to binge watch your girl. Hey, binge watch your girl. Boom, 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 binge watch your girl channel. Yes. Ooh, this is good. Look at all that goodness in there. Yes. Mm. 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 And it's nice and juicy, y'all. I see that juice coming, drop. I see that juice dropping. There you go. It's nice and juicy. I can't even lie. Mm. This is my only meal I had today. I don't know what time it is. Let me see what time it is. It's 2:50. It's 2:50. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. I was supposed to start the kids' YouTube channel because they keep bugging me about it today. But I don't know. We probably do that next week or something. I don't know what they're gonna be on there, but they want to do it. So, mm, 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 mm. Get your corned beef sandwich. Mm. This corned beef is giving what it's supposed to be give. Mm-hmm. Mm. Y'all been drinking tea. I've been drinking tea all morning. I was just laying in the bed drinking tea all morning. Excuse me. So, and then I got out of the bed around 11, 11:30. Picked my stuff on. Went to the grocery store. Mm, mm, because mm, I had to shop for next week. This week coming up for the no starch. You know, I had to get my meats, my vegetables together and stuff like that. Um, I know this gonna be so. I don't know whether it's gonna be hard or easy, but I'm definitely gonna do it. I'm definitely not gonna cheat because I just bought all that stuff, so I'm definitely. Mm, 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 mm. Um, I'm definitely not gonna cheat, and hopefully I lose a couple pounds. I'm doing it. Mm, mm, mm. Okay. That was so good. That champagne coke was so good. Okay, let's take a little. Let's answer some of these. Because last video I was trying to answer some of them, then my phone kept ringing. My phone kept ringing and all that. So, okay. Well, this one back from the old video. It was my crab dip and Jamaican patties, pretzels, and crackers and cheese video. Rebecca Simmons. Hey girl. She said, no, the food looks so good. It said, thank you so much and welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. Okay. The pancakes. I don't know if I said, yes, I read that yesterday. But I didn't go back and answer. I'm going to see some new ones. Well, I did put out a video today. Let me go back up there to the video I put out today. Cali Kid Nation. Hey, cuz. Hey, cuz. She said, I'm sick too. I've been in the bed all day. But I hope you get better. And myself too. Have a great day. Yes, girl. I hope we do get better. I don't know. You know it's flu season. You know, we're going to get a little cold. But we're going to get better. And we're going to keep it moving so we can end this year out with a bang. So we're going to be healthy, happy. We just got a little sick. We're a little down, a little sick. It's normal, you know, but we're going to get it. We're going to get better real soon. I give about 3 days, you know, get over the little cold, your little strep throat. You know, get over it. Shorty Mac, because you need to lemon and honey and pepper acts as an anti-fungus against the bacteria. Yes, I've been drinking lemon and honey tea. So yes, they do act as a good antibacterial for your fungus. Let me see. What you say? What? Say hi, Ty. My brother just came down, y'all.
Hey.
I was supposed to be buying something, y'all. That's why. Let me go look back at these comments. Ooh, I don't know how to pronounce her name. Ooh. Okay. Covered Greener. That's from this person from Baltimore. It's a he. I can't hear you. I don't know why you can't hear me on that video, but I know it's working. I do. Let me make sure. Let me play the video. Make sure I can hear it. Can you say you can't hear me? I gotta add. I don't know why you can't hear me, but I make sure that I even like my own video. I'm right here about to like my own video. Yes, it's working. So I don't know why you can't hear me. I don't know why. And what's this person name? Tanika
Greer.
Tanika Greer. Okay, I knew I had it right. I didn't want to butcher your name. You know, everybody, I'm going to butcher your name. Like, I talk with a little slur, and I'm going to butcher your name. Like, Tanika Greer. CC, I'm just me. If you're reading this, hit me up. Girl, I'm reading this, and I just shouted you. I'm reading it. Hit me up. Hit me up because I would love to donate to your channel and bless you as well. Oh, thank you. I most definitely will hit you up. Let me see, does she have a channel? Yeah, I'll be nosy when I be looking in the comment. I'll be seeing who y'all subscribe to and what kind of stuff. I'll be nosy, y'all. I'm nosy. Okay, let me see. Do I have any more? I know I read some yesterday, but I can't remember. I just got my notification from Dame Dash. His dipping sauce. I'm supposed to be buying his dipping sauce.
I keep thinking you talk about Dame Dash.
No, Flavor by Dame Dash.
Flavor by Dame.
Yeah, Flavor. No, not Dame Dash. Flavor by Dame Dash.
Yeah, because you know Dame, he be having his shoes.
Oh, he got a lot.
Clothes. He be on his website. He said that's how he's going to sell all of his movies. So he actually dropped a few movies, but he only sells it through his film company on his website.
Well, you know how to do it. Mm-hmm.
Exactly. So a lot of people ain't heard of it because
last film I saw by Dame was the one he had Beanie Siegel.
Yes. They dropped 3 more of those. It's on his website.
I'm saying. But no, we're talking about the other Dame. Dame Flavor by Dame Dash.
Oh, Flavor by Dame.
Yeah, I put the notification for his butter sauce. Mm-hmm. And he finally got his butter sauce back. So I'm about to go order some. I'm about to go order some of his butter sauce. Because I haven't tasted the garlic one.
You gotta taste Meg Thee Stallion sauce.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you know you want to.
It's just sweet and sour sauce with a hint of spice.
Hot sauce.
I ain't trying that.
Hot sauce, chicken sauce. Don't be hating on Meg.
I'm not hating on Meg. But I'm gonna leave that up there to the other YouTubers.
And that would make sense because Popeye's chicken, you know, black folks love Popeye's chicken. It's okay. I accept that one. Now the other one, the chicken nuggets,
the sweetie,
the sweetie, no, hell no. Cause
I ain't do that neither.
Nobody even eats that stuff. That's just to sell that particular meal on their menu. But yeah, dipping sauce for Popeye's chicken. Oh yeah.
I ain't do that one either. I'm not doing the
It's not a meal named after it, just the sauce.
It's a sauce. I don't want to do. I ain't doing the Meg style one sauce. I don't know. That stuff don't intrigue me because it's only so different a sauce to taste. Like, especially like celebrity sauce. It's only so different. It's red, you know, gonna taste like sweet and sour. And a lot of people say it's like sweet and sour with an Asian kick. Like,
I don't know about all that. That is just
like, I don't know.
An Asian kick, goddamn.
Right, I don't know what it tastes like, but I ain't doing, That's not for me. And I ain't doing Popeyes for a minute. You know, after I ate that fried chicken for this month, that fried chicken, all that oil messed my stomach up. So.
And, you know, certain chicken, all chicken ain't created equal.
Right.
Like, they be using a better quality chicken, especially when they be saying it's a shortage on chickens.
Yeah, that chicken messed my stomach up. The last fried chicken video I did, that chicken messed. I'm like, I'm not eating no more chicken for a minute. I'm not eating no more fried chicken for a minute. I already kind of know what the sweetie sauce gonna taste like in my head. You know, so. But it's trending. But I don't know, y'all. I don't do the trending stuff. I don't do the trending videos. I just do what I like to eat. That's what I do my mukbang on, like what I want, what I'm thinking to eat. And that's how I do my video. Eventually, I probably would get there to, you know, do the trending videos and what people got out, but for this next week, I'm doing no starts, so even if I wanted to do that, which I don't, I wouldn't do it. Them sandwiches was so good. It was busting. It was really busting. It really was. And this, it got like a it got an okay taste to it. It got an okay taste to it. But we're gonna see how I've been feeling. It's a bubbly, probiotic tea for a happy gut.
Yeah, probiotic.
Probiotic. I can't, you know.
Or prebiotic, whichever one.
It's a
pro or pre.
It's a probiotic.
Probiotic.
I'm getting tongue tied. I'm getting sleepy. You know.
Activia. That's a prebiotic.
Activia is a prebiotic?
Yes.
I got a whole bunch. I got a case of Activia. I got a case of Activia. I just need to do a whole Activia mukbang because I got Activia in the refrigerator, but there ain't no starch. I might do that. Look, I'm giving myself more ideas. Yo, I am so tired. I'm so tired. I didn't eat. I'm getting the itis. Y'all know how it is. You get the sleep itis. You didn't eat some good food. You get the sleep itis, y'all. Y'all, let me see. I don't even know how much time I'm at because the first video cut off for me. And now on this video, and I'm going to put both of them videos together to edit for y'all. But I got y'all. I hope I shouted enough people. I mean, I comment on enough people, y'all comments today. Um, I forgot where I left off yesterday because Wilson he called me and got me so mad. Okay, okay. I don't think I read Royalty Bloodline comment because I don't remember reading it on that video. So we just gonna read that comment and then we go close y'all. We go close this off. This was on my pancake bacon and egg mukbang video. Royalty Bloodline. These pancakes look great. I can tell you're a pro at it because I am too. It's not everybody who can make a delicious fluffy pancake, and it may seem simple, but it's a science to it. It sure is a science to it. I be flipping. It's the flick of the wrist. I did think I read this yesterday, or I'm having a case of deja vu because in my mind I was like, "You read that," but I know I read it yesterday while I was in bed, and I tried to answer some questions and some comments. I'm trying to answer some comments yesterday while I was in bed. But if I did, I read it again. Y'all know me. Y'all straight thought, y'all. I love y'all. Your girl, hold on, let me make sure you know, during the video, you can look kind of crazy, but after you finish, you want to make sure you look a little bit. You know, you don't want to feel how you look. Don't feel how you look. I'm a little sick. But I don't want to feel how I look. Let me see. Put that up there like that. Love y'all. Miss y'all.